Google and other search engines usually always provide the most relevant links in response to a query. However, their algorithms do not always perform optimally in certain cases. If human assistance is required, they will employ people to evaluate the significance of the links displayed in various search results. Today we will discuss the simple task of ranking the links that appear in specific searches. This offer is really simple and would be a terrific side gig for anyone who enjoys browsing the internet. And today I am going to expose you to not just one but 5 websites. These websites will pay you enough for performing extremely simpler tasks. If you are interested, stay with me to finish this video so you can learn everything about the website and not miss out anything. However, before we begin, I would like to welcome you to Digital Nomad, where we will show you how to make money online in a simplest way imaginable. Subscribing to this channel and clicking the notification bell will ensure that you are notified anytime a new video on how to generate money online is uploaded, allowing you to begin taking action. Additionally, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any problems, questions or any views regarding this video, feel free to leave a comment below. Now let's return to the video. A smartphone or PC with a high internet speed is all that is required. Having an email address, preferably Gmail, will qualify you as a search engine evaluator. What does this entitle? In a nutshell, you rate search engines such as Google, Firefox, Bing, and test applications or services for the large corporations. As previously stated, I will be showing 5 websites which are very much suitable for search engine evaluator jobs. On the top of the list is Appen. This is a machine intelligence firm that does data sourcing, data annotation, and model evaluation from people, enabling the success of AI initiatives at the most innovative organizations. This website is primarily responsible for sourcing and evaluating data for AI-related initiatives. Since 1993, Amazon, Adobe, Google, Microsoft, and even prestigious colleges have relied on Appen to fuel their mission-critical artificial intelligence with data. This is due to the fact that organization is a reliable partner for unlocking the AI potential of businesses by addressing their data source, data annotation, real-world model testing requirements. Where do you earn in the app as a search engine evaluator? The website features a service called Model Evaluation by Humans that offers variety of part-time flexible activities including as projects, microtasks, surveys, and data collecting that involve evaluating and reviewing some artificial intelligence program and the search engine appended clients. Select an apply option from the 3 types of job categories and enter your name, email address, and password to create an account. This will take you to the dashboard which contains several projects including search engine evaluation for you to do. Just ensure that your PayPal account is configured to release payments. Lionbridge is the second website that offers basic part-time work. This is an American corporation that offers translation and localization services for a variety of industries including technology, gaming, medical sciences, marketing, commerce. Lionbridge is an online freelancing organization that offers a large choice of basic work than merely search engine evaluation. Since it is localized, available tasks or jobs depend on what is available in your nation. However, you shouldn't be concerned because search engine evaluation is at most worldwide accessible. Lionbridge is also 25 years old, most trusted by major corporations like Wick-Pedia, BMW, and many other things. To join Lionbridge immediately, visit their careers page, click on see all the opportunities, search for the job or task you choose such as search engine evaluator or market tester. To begin your application, click on the desired job, the overview page, sign up with your first name, last name, email address, and attach your resume to the application task box. And there your weekly payments payouts are taken care of. We are currently enrolled to the 3rd web page. I hope you are still attentive because knowing the number of websites will provide with more possibilities from which to choose. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying the video. Let's now return to the video. Rider Labs is the name of the 3rd website which is subsidiary of Appen. Thus registering the Rider Labs will redirect to you to the application. This is a remote organization that offers independent contractors online or virtual, and independent contractors are mostly tasked with the testing and rating applications, artificial intelligence systems, and search engines. This is one of the really easy to connect into. If you already have an app in your account as you virtually use the same login information, this is an extension site with the same sign up, payout, and withdrawal conditions. Glassdoor is the 4th website on the list. Glassdoor enables the users to search for millions of jobs and obtain insider information about the organization through employee reviews, personalized pay calculators, and more. This involves largely analyzing jobs, which includes search engine evaluations, which is what we are doing in this video. Glassdoor empowers job seekers with a direct from the source reviews and insider information. Employers Also publish free job announcements on the Glassdoor because you deserve a job that loves you back. Glassdoor is not unexpectedly simple like the others. You only need to create a Facebook or email account and secure the password, and then you will have access to the numerous job and task vacancies on your dashboard. Obviously, you should link your PayPal account. Work Market is the final entry on the list, although it is by no means the least important. Work Market is a New York-based startup that provides businesses with an online marketplace and platform for managing freelancers, contractors, consultants. This website is pay-friendly for you since it offers secure and dependable payments based on your conditions and make it simple to pay and workforce with automatic invoicing and several e-payment alternatives. To apply for the search engine assessment position or the social media review position, visit to the Work Market's homepage and locate the sign up option. Then scroll down to the sign up bars. You can now proceed and you will find numerous tasks on your dashboard that you can apply to. Everything is currently so accessible. You can sign up for one or the two of these websites, or you can sign up for all of them to receive ongoing work and earn more money. Go get your phones and laptops. Begin your careers as search engine evaluators. That's it guys, and I will show you in the next video a few more opportunities how to make money online. All these 5 websites are from the legit source, and this opportunity of search engine evaluators is so simple. Anyone who is sitting at home and having enough time can do this and earn some extra money. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.